Hey, what is up? This is Couch Potato Mike. Hi. I said it like that to make my wife jump. Did you jump, hon?
No, what?
Good. Well, I am here with an unboxing video today. Not a Funko Pop unboxing video. No. I am unboxing this thing. The Super Mini SFC Classic Games Collection Built-in Classic Games Entertainment System. Basically, this is a Raspberry Pi with like 10,000 games on it that's designed to look like a miniature Super Nintendo. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and dig into this sumbitch. Alright, here we go. It came in a pretty small box, actually. So without further ado, let's take it out and play with it, shall we? Alright, should have had a tripod for this. So what we're going to do is make a fiasco out of opening this son of a bitch, because I'm doing it with one hand. Here, I got an idea. I'll open the other end and shove. How about that? Well, immediately, first thing I notice is that, I don't know if this is a good sign or a bad sign, the controllers don't exactly match what's featured on the outside of the box here. They have 4 different colors of buttons instead of the classic, purple and pale purple of the Super NES. But the buttons, the controllers got good weight to them. The buttons have got good pressability. Top buttons feel a little... This one's kind of clicky. This one's kind of spongy, actually. Let's check these buttons out. These feel kosher. And the D-pad. The D-pad seems right on the money. Let's see about the other controller. Gotta check them both. Gonna be using them both. This one feels spongy. This one feels more clicky, but these buttons all feel great. Convex, concave. I don't have a classic NES controller to compare them to, but all in all, they're better than a lot of controllers that I have felt. Now let's get right into the console here. Right here we have the console itself, the actual box, which is designed to look like a miniature version of the Super Nintendo Entertainment System without, the SNES logo on it, because obviously this is clearly a knockoff. These got these power and reset buttons, and they do slide. This one's got a slide and bounce back feature, like the old reset button did. This just has a slide click into place. And actually, I didn't look at the controller ports. They're not USB, I'm noticing. They're actually quite reminiscent of the old, like the controllers for the GameCube, actually. See that? Gotta keep my finger out from it. And I don't quite see where to plug them in at. That looks like the ports. Let's see, DC in, AV out, okay. And actually this looks like something here. Hold on. Oh, okay, here, this pulls out. Okay, yeah, they plug in right there. Alright, so in where the old ports would be. It's funny. And here is the user manual. And obviously there is the plug-in stuff. And by user manual, it's a pamphlet, and let me see here. Let's read this together, shall we? It has a built-in 600 games, classic games in total, which cannot be changed. Interesting. It uses a 5V charg for power supply, and the available voltage is 110 volt to 220 volt, so the ordinary household power source can afford that. It will send with an AV cable which support TV output. Yeah, English was not these people's first language. Game console buttons for the 4 function, keys to support even the fight function, opponent speed and operational requirements are higher. They, capitalized, game is better. Never allow children play it alone, for it comes to the power using. Please turn off the machine and operate it after cooling it when there is something wrong with the running machine, like system halted. Never put the machine stay at some places extremely hot and cold. Never disassemble or repair the machine by yourself. By yourself. It may be unavailable at some TV with 4K resolution ratio. Never allow children below 3 years old using it alone. Never play the Transformer casually, for it is not a toy. The machine is available for those recommended Transformers conforming to international standard. Please disconnect the machine when cleaning the machine. Please check the lines, plug, and shell and other parts regularly, and stop using if there is anything wrong with them until being repaired. Never play it with other power sources not recommended. And then over here are schematics and stuff. Adapter input, reset, port for joystick 2. Oh, okay, I read 147. Yeah, that good stuff. And then there's this good stuff. What's it say down there at the bottom? Note, there may be some differences when connecting different televisions. More details can be consulted with the dealers or the TV factory. Note, HD features not yet open. Okay, then. And let's look here. This is the audio-video cables. It's got a single port to go into the machine, and then the 3-port splitter there. And it's got a charger that looks like it will fit a cell phone. This is Samsung on it. I'm going to laugh my ass off. No, but this is clearly, yeah, it just uses a cell phone charger. Alrighty, so let's hook this bad boy up and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, if you get the shadow out of the way, got it all hooked up to the TV here. And let's just... I screwed up the angle of the camera again, didn't I? Yep. Alright. Go ahead. Let's see what we got in here. Mario 10 24 Ninja. Well, it looks like it has quite a few games. I'm not sure about all of these. It allegedly has 660, according to the top of the screen. Most of these look pretty fucking old school, though, so it's starting to piss me off, actually. Yeah, we better start getting into some other fucking games pretty fucking quick. Lovely music, isn't it? There seems to be some sort of alphabetization that doesn't make a damn bit of sense. Okay, we're halfway through the list and I'm not seeing the games that I bought this for. So I'm gonna start getting pissed here in a minute. Pikachu Brothers. I don't know what the fuck that is. Pokemon Crystal. Yeah, I'm really starting to get irritated now. I should have hit something that I bought this fucking thing for. Mortal Kombat 4? What the fuck? Only one of the titles changed. It did it again. I am starting to feel very fucking ripped off, actually. Hot Blood Ice Ho? Okay. What the fuck? Okay, I'm a little pissed. Fuck is Mario 10? Okay. What the fuck did that do? What the fuck? Hold on. Alright. Let's see what the fuck Mario 14 is. What in the ever-loving fuck is this shit? What the hell? Okay, this is... What the fuck? Alright, hold on. Reset. Okay, this looks like Super Mario Brothers 1. But the sound's fucked up. This is Super Mario Brothers, but the sound is fucked up. Now, and what's up with some of these things? Okay, what's Ninja Turtles 4? Let's see what the fuck that is. 1993. Konami. Oh! Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Tournament Fighter. I actually used to have this game. I haven't played it fucking forever, but... And this is definitely not the version that I had. Where are the fucking weapons? And it looks like some of these 660 fucking games are different levels of the same game. What the fuck am I looking at? No, no, no. Oh, hell no. Well, I've just discovered that I've been totally ripped off, and a lot of these games are fucking Game Boy games that have been put onto a Super Nintendo thing. I bought this when the website said it would have games like Worms Armageddon and Spyro the Dragon and Lara Croft Tomb Raider on it, and as you can see, it had none of those. So they took my money, they saw my ass coming apparently, so I'm a little bit pissed about this. So as far as this fucking thing goes, if you see it anywhere, don't fucking buy it. Because I was lied to, and I'm going to be trying like hell to get my money back on this. So, for the Couch Potato Mike YouTube channel, this is Couch Potato Mike reminding you, as always, that life is an experiment and your results may vary, and for your sake, I hope they fucking do.